Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This time we will be dealing with tuples. Okay, people say tuple, tuple, tuples, whatever you feel like. So before beginning into tuples, just let us see the syntax of a tuple. Remember the syntax, how you declared a list? Subject years, you had a square bracket, right? So the only difference in tuple is it has round brackets, right? Just like functions. But along with this, another major difference is tuples are immutable. Immutable means you cannot change a tuple once it is declared, right? So for example, in like list, if I want to change this to 81 in tuple, I cannot. Or if I want to delete this element, I cannot, right? So if you have seen my previous 3 videos on list, what I have done, I have made the same program, just change the declaration to tuples. So of course my program will have errors, but except that, like in terms of indexing, in terms of referring, in terms of writing a for loop, etc., right? I can still refer things by index in a tuple, like index 1 is 12, index minus 1 is 502. Rest all things remain the same. Okay, since my program is same, I will have issues in this program, and now I will just talk about the issues. The rest of the things you can see the list lectures. Okay, so tuples have this round parenthesis, round brackets. So I'm declaring like, okay, subject years of 0, which is physics again, numbers 1 to 5 will be 12 to 502. Now see, in the terminal that you have in the VS Code, you will have 3 problems. Okay, let us see the problem. So it is saying problem on line number 28, 31 and 37. So see here what I'm trying to do. I am printing the list and I'm trying to modify the tuple, right? So you see what does this say? Number list does not support item assignment, right? That means I cannot change the value of a tuple, right? And that is what its property is. It's immutable. Similarly, I'm trying to assign the 2 to a joker. Again, not allowed because you cannot modify a list. Neither you can insert, neither you can delete, nor you can edit. Nothing. It's like a read-only stuff, right? Similarly, see, either I can edit, neither I can delete, or I can insert. So all these statements are giving error. So let me just comment out this. Okay. And now let's see all other things, like for example printing, getting the length of the list exactly, traversing using a for loop, right? Negative indexing, negative minus 1 representing the last element, min, max, everything works exactly like the list. For your convenience, I have kept the both lectures mapped, right? So if you want to see the same lecture on list, you can go to lecture number 1 that corresponds to phi in tuples. So now let me run the code. So you can see everything is almost the same. Okay, see the concatenation is happening, right? But concatenation is only being displayed here. So let us go to this line. So concatenation, I am adding to list to display the result. I am not adding and storing it in a list. For example, this will work, but this statement will not work. Okay, oh, obviously this will work, sorry, but if you are assigning any specific, so this will basically override the older list with a newer one. Okay, so the number read, see, even in tuples it is read one at a time. Last element is 502. If you see this tuple, second last element is 44. Again, this is the tuple. Max is 502 and then 12. Right? Max value is Python and 700. This I have mapped it with my list lecture so that you understand that there is a hardly any difference between lists and tuples, because tuples are read only, right? And they cannot be modified. So they are extremely fast as compared to lists. Okay, so for example, if you have some static data to just analyze, right, and not modify, then it is recommended that you use tuple. Right now we don't have such a huge data to modify, so we keep list because list supports various operations, right? So for example, when I have a list here, so let us make a small list, my list, and let us keep only 2 elements here. Okay, and now let me copy the same thing and let me rename it as my tuple, and the brackets will change. Okay, so now when you see in VS Code, when I type my list and dot, just see the functions that I get in a list: append, clear, copy, count, extend, and so many stuff. And this all underscore are magic functions in Python that we will see very late in the CS384 class. But my point is just keep an eye on so many functions, right? Now let me write the same for tuple. My tuple dot. There are only two. You can only count and you can get an index of a particular element in the tuple. Rest of anything, copy, clear, insert, extend, anything is not allowed because tuples are read only. Okay, so the basic introduction to tuples, like just like list, but they are read only. So no insertion, no addition, no editing, no deletion. Right? Thank you for watching.